Hi Katie, since we could not be with you on your birthday this year, we've made this little video with clips from your family and friends, and we really hope you like it. So we asked all your family and friends these three questions and asked them to base it on their relationship with you. The three questions are: firstly, what are the two things that Katie would take with her on a deserted island, and things, not people? Secondly, what is one skill that only KD has? And thirdly, what is something that only you know about KD? So I think that the two things that you would take with you to a deserted island is obviously your phone, so you can move around the trees and click aesthetic pictures of all the food you're cooking over bonfire over there. And secondly, you would take a couple of clothes, actually more than a couple of clothes, so that you can have like a mood change whenever you feel like. One skill that only KD has is, I don't know how you make that Maggie. I mean, even if I try, I will never be able to make that same Maggie, and that's truly wonderful. And obviously, that one skill also is that you make excellent bed tea. So when you stay over at KD's, you will be guaranteed excellent bed tea. And one thing that And one thing that I think only I know about you is that you're going to get crazy emotional when you're going to see this, and please don't cry like last year. Okay, so happy birthday KD, happy birthday to my soul sister. We are these two bandars. See you very soon. 1, 2, 3, start. What are the two things that Komal would take with her to a deserted island?
Well, I think the first thing she would carry with herself is a drawing book and with a whole lot of colors so that she can draw she can do a lot of sketching over there. And number two, a number of dresses which she can keep on changing from morning till evening at least 3 to 4 times a day. Okay?
A skill that only Komal has.
Komal has this tremendous skill of establishing a connect with anybody from a kid to an elderly person of say 95 to 100 years old. She can do that.
Something about Komal which you think only you know.
Komal, I think, had a whole lot of admirers right from her school age who even went to the extent of proposing to her even when she was not even an adult. Okay? Happy birthday, Kopal.
Happy birthday, Komal. Or may God's choicest blessings be showered upon you. Birthday, Komal.
बोलिए.
Happy birthday, Komal.
Hi Komal.
What are the two things that Komal would take with her to a deserted island?
Deserted island. I think she will take her makeup kit and her gym equipments because she's very conscious about her health.
A skill that only Komal has.
Komal is a very talkative person since birth.
Something about Komal which only you know. You think you know.
She is very good in artistic work like drawing. Happy birthday, Komal.
Hi Komi, happy birthday. Enjoy your lockdown birthday with your hubby. Many more to come without the lockdown. Take care.
Happy birthday, Katie. Oh, God bless you. I love you so much. You are my lovely daughter.
Hi Komal, many happy returns of the day beta. Wish you a very happy birthday. And now Arushi has asked a few questions about you. So I think two things which you will take to the deserted island would be your mobile phone and a bottle of wine to give you company. And a skill in which I think you are very good at it is to make your younger sisters very comfortable with you, very happy with you, and make them like you too much. And so all of them are really very happy to hang out with you. And the third thing which I think which I only know is that you can talk on phone for a while, for quite a good while with your friends. So that is all. Wish you a very happy birthday once again. Bye bye. Mwah.
Two things that Komal Didi would take with herself on a desert island. I would say those would be books and a stock of food and drinks. I mean, what else would a person need? But do tell me if there's something else. And one skill that Komal Didi has, I would say that would be acting. That is one creative skill that is not behind the camera, among others. And the last question is that one thing about Komal Didi that only you know. I do know one thing, that Komal Didi was an RJ in Jaipur. That's something. And if this video was recorded 10 years ago, I would say, do you know Komal Didi has met Hrithik Roshan? That made me very excited. So yes, happy birthday Komal Didi, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. I love you a lot and I'm sending you many hugs and kisses.
देखने दीजिए ठीक है start Hi Katie, first of all many happy returns of the day. Wish you a very happy birthday. Now coming to the questions, the first question, what are the two things that you would take to a deserted island with you? I think first would be a glass of margarita and second would be a pair of shades. Now the second question, a skill that only you have. I think you genuinely take interest in others' talent and like to talk to them about it and make them at ease. The third question is something about you that only I know. What I know about you is one special thing, that you can make very lovely collages for people whom you love very much and who are dear to you, and those collages are really nice. So wish you a very happy birthday, enjoy your day, lots of love, Tanya.
Katie's birthday questions. Two things Katie would take to a deserted island with her would be lots of alcohol and lots of food made by Ashok Bhaiya, obviously. One skill that Katie has, she is crazy creative, and sometimes I'm jealous, but like it's insane how creative she is and how amazing she is at that stuff. One thing I know about Katie is that she is one of the bestest elder sister anyone could ask for. It's like hanging out with a buddy. I would not have anyone else as an elder sister other than Katie, because like I love you so much. Happy birthday. Hopefully I'll see you soon. Lockdown खत्म हो गया. Please मेरे घर आके मुझे उठा लो. Weekend के लिए अपने घर ले जाओ. Party करेंगे बहुत सारी. I miss it so much.
Hi Komal Didi, happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day.
हैप्पी बर्थडे. और अब आप लॉकडाउन में बिल्कुल शेफ हो चुकी हैं, तो अब प्लीज़ हम लोग बिल्कुल वेट कर रहे हैं. मेरी और आपकी डील भी है, अब आप जल्दी से आइए लखनऊ और हम लोग एक कुक ऑफ करेंगे.
फिश करी. बिल्कुल.
हैव अ ग्रेट ईयर अहेड एंड एंजॉय.
हैप्पी बर्थडे.
हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Komal auntie.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Komal.
Happy birthday, Komal.
Happy birthday, Komal auntie.
Vihan, say happy birthday. Now the questions. What are the 2 things that Komal would take with her to a deserted island? Food and clothes. A skill that only Komal has. Recently she's developed a new skill of cooking fusion food. So these days she's on that, and I feel that in the family nobody has that skill.
My view, Komal is good to make everyone happy.
Yeah, yes. That is definitely right. Something about Komal which you think only you know. This is difficult, but I feel she's somebody who values relationship, and I think that is something that not in her bubbly character probably people would not understand that she really has a lot of value for relationships around her. So I think that
Sensible and mature to handle the situation.
Yeah.
She is very flexible on those terms. That is my view.
So that is so. All the best. Have great fun.
Yeah, one moment, Komal. You are this day celebration spending. When you come to our place, we will open this bottle for you. This Baileys. Happy birthday, Komal. Thank you.
Bye.
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 Hi Komal, what's up? Surprise, surprise, surprise. Fine, now let's just get to the work, okay? The 2 things which Komal would take with her when she's alone in an island is her makeup kit, fully loaded, and her camera, which includes a tripod stand, okay? Then something which only Komal is good at is roaming around the entire hill road for 3 hours and buying that same 100 rupee umbrella which she had selected in the first 5 minutes of that shopping trip. I think only she can do this, and I'm never going shopping with her again. And the third thing which I think I know about Komal is that she's all grown up, matured, successful, superb, everything prim proper, but she's yet a child inside, and sometimes this child needs her deep. That's why very rarely she does call me up on those days, which means you should call me more often. Not that I want your child to be born again inside you, okay? And Komal, everything apart, I really love you. Lots of best wishes for your birthday. You are my sweetest, dearest, most closest, nearest yet farthest, really sweet friend. I love you. Keep shining, keep growing, keep rocking. Happy birthday.
Hi.
Question पूछना है. What are the 2 things that Komal would take with her to a deserted island?
Okay, that's an easy one. She'll take a phone with a battery charger, and she will take something to drink, alcohol and chai.
Chai कैसे बनाएंगे island?
Same, it's a question.
A skill that only Komal has.
I think she's the only person who I know who can talk equal to me or more than me.
Something about Komal which you think only you know.
Yeah, so Komal portrays herself to this happy person, but when she faces problems, she has to take her time to get out of them. And she's very possessive about her friends, and she will let you know when you're giving somebody else more importance than you're giving it to her.
Last date 10th. It's going to take 2 days. अच्छा वो खत्म हो गया question. हाँ. अभी wish करेंगे.
हाँ. Happy birthday,
Happy
Komal.
birthday, Komal.
Hope you have an awesome day.
And a great year. Bye.
Okay, many happy returns of the day. Have the greatest birthday and a great Kosama for you. 2 things that Komal will take with her to a deserted island would be something to make chai with, you know, like adrak, lemongrass. And I think the second thing that she would take with her would be chicken sausages, because I know she loves them. One thing that perhaps only I know about Komal is that she likes to work on revisions and creatives at 4 in the morning. And I'm supposed to wake up at 7 in the morning and check to see if they're right. She always over-promises and not necessarily under-delivers, but yeah, learn to say no. Have a great year. Bye.
The one thing that I know about Komal is that she's a bit mad at me. I was one of the person. I had a small role to play in making her meet Ashok, and she's pissed about that, and she wants to get me married too as revenge. So I think happy birthday Komal. पर अभी ये छोड़ दे, ये सब उम्र हो गई है, so we should move on from that. Komal is a very happy person, and I think she's really amazing at spreading that happiness. Happiness is very infectious. It's more infectious than I think COVID-19. She's a pandemic of happiness. So I think Komal is a very, very practical person. So I think to a deserted island she'll take just a fully crewed submarine. किधर जाने का और किधर जाने का, घूमने का, शॉपिंग करने का, तो you need a submarine. That's one thing, and other than that I don't think so she'll need anything else, because अशोक तो रिक्शा पकड़ के आ ही जाएगा. So खाना पीना सब, कपड़े वपड़े सब हो जाएंगे, इस्त्री विस्त्री सब कर देगा वो. So I think just a submarine, that's all she needs.
Happy birthday, KD! I love you, I miss you, and we will drink together. So we have some questions that all of us wanted to answer for you. What are the 2 things that Komal would take with her to a deserted island? 1, because I saw all these videos before anybody else could, so I know you'll take a drawing book with you. And 2nd, that you will take your camera because you love clicking pictures all the time. Then a skill that only Komal has, that she can make you feel really, really comfortable and just build a relation with you in that one very second when you meet. Something about Komal which you think only you know is this very newly discovered fact that you were born in Dhariwal. We all did not know that, at least I didn't. So that's just happy birthday, KD. We will do video calls and we will party. Itni dur dur se bhi.
2 things which Komal will definitely carry with her to the deserted island is a wardrobe which will be appropriate to the surrounding. She would like to look beautiful even if nobody is there to look at her. And the second thing would be her phone, so that she's connected to the entire world and not get bored. One skill which she has is that she'll speak to the people so sweetly, even if she's pissed at them, that the opposite person will have no clue at all that she's pissed at them. The secret thing I think about Komal, I know, is that she'll say yes to everything, even if she means no, and I can exactly figure out when she's saying yes but she means no. Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Komal, and life full of happiness.
2 things that Komal would carry. One would be a half and half poster of Harvey Specter and Salman Khan. And Komal's going to put it up on a tree in this island and look at it. And the second thing that she would carry is a box of tunde kebabs that she's going to eat while looking at this poster. One skill that she has is the ability to really fall asleep very quickly on long flights. Yeah, ask me about it. And one superpower, one thing that I know about her, which only I know, is her strange ability to know when I am passing the Hub Mall, because she always calls me when I'm passing that particular mall. Strange superpower to have. But happy birthday, birthday girl. And thank you to your cousins for giving us this strange opportunity to wish you this way. Happy birthday once again.
हैप्पी वाला बर्थडे मैडम कोमल जी. एक ऐसी लड़की के लिए हैप्पी बर्थडे जो कि किसी आइलैंड शाइलैंड पे चले जाए ना, तो फिर अपना मेकअप किट और सेल्फी वाला कैमरा वाला मोबाइल फ़ोन वो कभी ना भूले. एक ऐसी लड़की के लिए विशेष जो कि किसी भी मोस्ट डिफ़िकल्ट सिचुएशन में कैसी अच्छी फ़ोटो निकाले वो इसे पता हो. मतलब इसको ना, मतलब अगर मैयत में लेके जाओ तो भी वहाँ पे लाइक सबकी हंसते हुए वो फ़ोटो ले ले. इसमें ये कला है. और एक कुछ ऐसा जो कि खाली मुझे पता है और उसे नहीं, सबको नहीं। तो वो हम दोनों के बीच में ही रहेगा। एनीवे गर्ल, हियर्स विशिंग यू मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। आत्मनिर्भर, रम कोला नहीं है, खाली मैं कोला पी रहा हूँ यहाँ पे। चल बाय, टेक केयर।
Hi Katie, wish you a very very happy birthday. I know we're all stuck at home now, but as soon as this lockdown shifts and once things go back to normal, we're all going to get together and party as hard as we did last year. So have a great day, eat lots of yummy food and eat lots of cake and have the best birthday ever. Happy birthday, love you.
If Komal was in a deserted island, much like Tom Hanks in Castaway, I think she would probably take her Buddhist shrine. Second thing probably would be this poster. No, sorry, not this poster, this poster. एक स्किल है कोमल में, वो किसी में नहीं है। सुबह के 8 बजे हो, शाम के 8 बजे हो, कितना भी काम करती है, she always looks like a million bucks, ready to step onto the red carpet. You must have heard of people looking this silly, right? But Komal is exactly the opposite. She will not say that she knows After Effects and Premiere.
इसका आंसर तो नहीं आता मुझे।
In fact, at office she used to let me do it. Second thing about her, she can drink you under the table if she wants. So Komal, keep walking, keep going. I hope we can catch up soon. A very happy birthday.
Hi Komal, wishing you many happy returns of the day. Hope you have a great day and a wonderful year ahead. I've been asked to answer certain questions for you, so I don't know what you'll take to a deserted island, but I hope you do take some music for the sunset and some caffeine for the morning. And skill that only you have is that you can take anyone's worries away with your beautiful smile. And one thing that I know about you is that you have a beautiful heart and you are a very strong person, and no one can take away that from you. So I hope you have a great and lovely day. Thank you.